Hi, I'm Lee Hatcher, Director of Public Affairs for HammondCare, at the launch of Don't Give Me Eggs That Bounce with the wonderful Maggie Beer, who's launched it. Maggie, thank you so much for launching it.
Well, it's so much my honour, really.
What would you say this book is about?
This book is to inform so many people. It's to inform carers, it's to inform aged care homes, it's to inform the wider community about how you can do beautiful food, whether it's for dementia patients or just for people who are older and don't have the inspiration of how to do beautiful food.
It's had such a big tick of approval from you.
Yes.
Why is that?
Oh my goodness. One of the great things, Pete, it's hard to just encapsulate it just to one, but if I say that this whole concept of people who have to be on soft diets, say dysphagia, that affects so many people with dementia and others, to be able to show that food can look beautiful as well as taste beautiful has this huge aura about it. It's so important and challenging. The other thing, with the help of the HammondCare people entirely, he's also been able to push boundaries and have things happen like the soft-boiled egg, like chooks and eggs from the chooks, all of these things, because he cares.
Of all the countless areas of food that you could commit to, why food in aged care? Why has that become such a passion for you?
Well, it's become a passion because when I was doing the research for this talk that I gave back in 2010, I saw some terrible things. And I saw some wonderful things too that need to be shared. And I saw that I feel I can make a difference by gathering people around me. And if you can give pleasure, just joy to people every single day by a beautifully cooked meal, it can make such a difference in life.
Tell me what the marvellous collaboration that you've had with HammondCare, what that's meant for you, Maggie?
Well, the collaboration with HammondCare has actually set me on the path of forming my own foundation. So it's a journey for the rest of my life to make a change Australia-wide in food, not only in aged care, but for people in the community that are vulnerable.
Of all the many changes that we are seeing over these last few years, is there one practical one that you can identify, that you can say, yes, this is what it's all about? One experience, one person that's made a difference?
I have to say the person that's made a difference is putting Peter into this position and seeing him grow, seeing him take the challenge of this and go beyond my wildest dreams of what he could do.
Maggie Beer, thanks again so much for launching this book. It's been great to see you again. Thank you.
Lee.
The book is Don't Give Me Eggs That Bounce. Head to crackingrecipes.com.